In this video, we're going to look at the most popular print modes in the ArtisJet Workstation. I'll show you exactly what each mode does and when to use it so you can get the best results every time. Whether it's color, varnish, or embossed effects, knowing the right print mode makes your workflow faster, cleaner, and more precise. Even if you are new to the workstation, I'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow. Let's get started. If you're inside the ArtisJet software and you're wondering which print mode to choose, don't stress. I'm going to break it down for you in a super simple way. First, let's understand the ink channels. KCMY stands for your standard color inks. W is your white ink channel, and V is your varnish channel. Once you understand those three, everything else makes sense. Now, let's talk about the different print mode categories, basic print modes. First up, color only mode. This is your standard full color print using only KCMY. It's perfect for light materials where you don't need white or varnish effects. Then we have white only mode, which can use 2 or 4 white channels. This is great for printing bold white graphics on dark materials, and you can even create embossed effects using just white ink. Next, varnish only mode. This uses only the varnish channel. It's ideal for glossy, raised or textured effects without any color underneath. Next, regular one-go print modes. White and color. This is one of the most commonly used modes. The white ink prints first as an underbase, then the color goes on top. This gives you bright, vibrant colors on dark materials. Color and varnish, better for light materials. Here you print your color first, then apply varnish on top. This adds gloss, protection and texture. Varnish and Color. This one prints varnish first and then color on top. It's especially useful when you want extra durability because the varnish underlayer helps protect the color. White, color and varnish. This is your premium mode. White, full color on top and a glossy varnish finish. Maximum visual and tactile impact. Sandwich print mode, color, white and color. This mode is perfect for transparent materials. The white layer sits between two layers of color, so the design looks vibrant and consistent from both sides. Spot color 1Go modes, Beck technology. Now for the power user modes. Spot white mode uses 4 separate spot channels. This allows you to create very dense, crisp, tactile white layers in a single pass. It's perfect for Braille or high detail embossing. Spot varnish mode gives you extremely precise raised gloss effects. You can emboss varnish exactly where you want it, all in one pass. And that's a look on the most popular print modes in the ArtisJet Workstation. Now you'll know exactly which mode to pick for each type of job, whether it's color, varnish or embossed. You can print with confidence and precision. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you in the next one.